Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to use the shortcode in WordPress widgets. So here you can see currently I have a calendar edit on the sidebar. So now I want to add the shortcode. Okay. So first of all, I need to copy a shortcode, this one. Let me go here and now I want to display this search box. Okay. Let me copy it, and after that make sure that you have installed classic widgets plugin. Then you can go back to the widgets page. Okay, now I want to add this shortcode here, so let me scroll down, and then here you can see these are the inactive widgets. So let me remove everything and add this shortcode. Click on save button. Okay, after that click on done. Now simply you can drag these widgets. Okay, then expand it and click on done. Now let's go back and reload this page. Now here you can see a search box is added. So in the backend we just added a shortcode.